What is going on, YouTube? For those of you that don't know me, I am CMotoX. Welcome to the channel. I normally post motorcycle content. Well, I'm gonna post motorcycle content today, but we are not working on my bike today. Not working on the Honda. The Marini is still in the shop. No updates yet, but hopefully something soon within the next week or two. But today we are going over to my friend Trisha's house, and she's got I want to say a 2009 Vtx, and we're going to replace the clutch cable on that and get her bike back rolling. So anytime I get to work on a bike, that's pretty exciting. So we're going to go and get this knocked out. Also, side note, I was going to be on my bike today. I had every intention of riding my bike over to Trisha's house. But it is 100 degrees outside, so we opted for the vehicle with AC. Funny thing I notice about myself, I always say we, but it's just me. Anybody else do that? Let me know. Something I probably should work on. There is a storm brewing over there. Trisha's house. She already got the bikes pulled out. Look at that. Got the Bad Girl bike. Got the Can-Am pulled out. Look at this little thing. This is cool.
Oh no.
I think it's got a dead battery there right now. Looks like I don't hear anything turning over.
I mean, if I get the money and you ever want to tinker with it, like for beginners, I was going to keep it and put insurance on it. Because if Sheena ever wants to ride around town and gets tired of the two-wheels, she could ride this.
Look at that. Trisha got the Busa. Badass bike. Got the Vtx. This is what we're working on today. And then this little thing. It almost looks like a mini R6.
It does. I love it. Don't tell her.
Go ahead and get this old cable off. I need my phone for the light.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Plus, like I said, I really like working on bikes, so it's like no problem at all for me.
Well, she knows off certain days. If you want to tinker, she knows. I mean, there's a whole new battery there. I don't know if it'll work, but one day we had it on the charger all day to jump start it, and it just won't budge. But if she gets her permit, I think she should keep it. She just...
Lights in my eyes. Yeah, definitely. Like...
She don't motivate.
Paid off.
Practice on the clutch with you guys.
Look at that. Got that that brand new cable. Look at that.
Maybe y'all could motivate her. I don't know. Maybe other people could motivate her to do it, to like learn it.
I don't know if this is stretched out or not, but this cable seems slightly shorter, but it should still work fine. Go ahead and get this new one put on here. Should fire up after that. So you got it on the
Nintendo, yeah. And I got the brakes in the car, and I can show you my truck on the latch.
Oh, you got the brakes for the truck already?
You know, I'll buy whatever parts need to be bought, but I just know how to ride. And you know, I don't know nothing about the bikes like you guys do. I just know how to ride. That's it. In the clutch system.
Right.
I'm gonna try to start learning next year.
Working on stuff?
Yeah, like have y'all see if you guys could teach me the oil change for the Busa, for my cruisers.
Oh, definitely. I'll come over and show you.
The oil change for my truck since it's an older truck and sits up higher.
And my mom's calling me. And no, she's not. Hold on. Call her back real quick. Alright, got that tight there. Go ahead. Need this. Alright, so got the new cable all wired up. Probably still needs to be adjusted a little bit, but we're gonna see if I can get it into gear now and get it started. It's showing that it's in neutral right now. Alright, so got it figured out. I can now put it in gear. I'm gonna go on a quick ride up the street to just make sure everything's figured out. Got it right now. Well, like always, I usually always forget to film an outro for my videos. Installing the clutch cable was a success. We did get it figured out and installed. What I did realize was she has aftermarket handlebars, so eventually she will need a longer clutch cable, and that is probably what broke the first clutch cable. But that is for a later date, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make this the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe if you want to see more, and until the next time, everybody just keep riding safe.